Mga tangay, may dyan akong isi-share nga testimony kanindo. Truly, God answers our prayers. We've been praying for a television set needed for our kids, church, and school ministry. And today, God surprised us. He answered our prayers. Di ba, kwarang ipapakitaw sa kang mga vlogs, ara ko'y babanggit kung ano namang mga kaministeran digi. But what we always do is to depend and to trust God alone. He said in His Word in Proverbs 3, 5, and 6, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not unto your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He shall direct your path. All we have to do is to trust, ask, and to depend on Him. Our team here in Madagascar, Africa, are very happy and thankful sa tanan-tanan nga mga tao ngay gamit ang Ginoo para mag-share ang mga blessings for us to be able to purchase our TV para magamit na sa ating ministry digi. You don't know how we are grateful and touched with your generosity. Quick update, akapabuat kita rin additional chairs for the new church joiners every Sunday. Plus, we also separated junior worship from the adult worship. Ay mapilit, pati malisang ang mga bata. Kaya pagkatapos ng preaching, saka naman papasok ang mga kids and junior worshipers. To join tithes and offering, participate in special number, church updates, and announcements. We praise and thank God for the amazing kids ministry in our church. Ang mga batang dyan, lingod ka lang mag-English, French, and ang second language. Pero by God's grace, kayang-kayang kanta English songs. Ito ang bunga ng iyong mga prayers and support sa ating ministry dito. Dahil sa ating kids ministry, we were able to reach out to their parents and they got to know Christ as their personal Lord and Savior at kasama na natin silang nag-worship. Please continue to pray for our newest ministry, ang Awana Club na dinadagsa at dinadayo ng mga kabataan dito. We currently have more than 100 joiners and it's only by God's grace kung paano natin na-feed ang mga batang ito. Kataman pa man kananda, hindi rin nagurulisan ng mga balay, masalyagan ang dagstay sa church, Taiwan ang tasanda. Kaya kung may burden kayo to help our children's ministry here, feel free to message us. If you're watching this video and you're located anywhere in the world and you wish to be part of our team, we would love to welcome you and we're excited to work with you. While I am here, I will do my very best to take care of the task God has entrusted me. Let us choose to serve God in our own little way. Remember, life is short. Eternity is long. Dan lang mga kwento for today's video. Matamang salamat. God bless everyone and see you soon. If not here on earth, see you then in heaven. Bye!